Hello everyone, my name is Laura Stevenson and I am an independent consultant for 31 Gifts, and I'm here to show you the brand new organizing crossbody tote. So this is considered a tote in the 31 world. This is the Fab Flourish print. It has two large pockets on the front here, two very large mesh pockets on the sides here, just like that. There is a open pocket on the inside here, a small open pocket, no zip pockets on the inside, but it does zip on the top. So this is a zipper tote. Not many of our totes have zippers, but this has a zipper on it, which is super awesome. It is a more structured material, not as floppy as some of the purses. It has a small handles on the top here, so you can carry it like this, or it has an adjustable strap, so you can carry it on the side, you can carry it crossbody, and you can adjust it depending on how tall or short you are. So I have it really adjusted because I am so short. So you could just put it over your shoulder if you're in Disney, if you're shopping, anything like that. If you have small children, your bag is right here, easy to reach, everything is in there, and it's crossbody, so you don't have a strap falling off of your shoulder. Now this is in the brand new spring line, and the dimensions of this are 13 in height by 12 in length by 5.5 inches deep. So that is that. If you have any questions, subscribe to my channel, comment in the comments below, and I will answer any questions that you have. Thank you. Bye.